Okay, good morning, students. Previous class, I have explained you and given the question and given the answer. Now let me explain the answer. It's a notice. So first you have to mention the name of the college, that is Marwari Inter College, Ranchi. Clear? Then in the middle of the line, in capital letters, you will write notice. Clear? Then give the date. Date in this format. Clear? That is 3rd November, 2020. Okay. Now again there will be another heading. For what purpose you are giving the notice. You are throwing the notice. Clear? Notice is given from the college itself. But for what purpose notice is given? Selection of dedicated students. The students who are dedicated to do something for the school, for the students, for their friends, for their students, for their school, and these. Okay, so they are the dedicated students. They are having a sort of dedication in them to do something for the favor, for the sake of the school. Now students of class 11th and 12th, they both are informed, they both are invited because they are the senior students. Class 11th and 12th are informed that the selection and the interview, selection as well as the interview of prefects. Prefects, you know very well. What do you mean by prefects? The captain, the vice captain, the school head, the college head girl, the college head boy, they comes under prefects. So prefects for the current academic year, that is 2021, not 2020, current year, आने वाले साल के लिए सिलेक्शन हो रहा है. क्लियर? विल बी हेल्ड ऑन 10th November, जो कि हेल्ड होने जा रहा है 10th November को. क्लियर? At which time? At 10 a.m. At which place? In the college auditorium. College auditorium hall में ये held होगा. Clear? Now, in this occasion, in this connection, interested candidates, the candidates who are interested to become prefects for the school, okay. Now, those candidates who have scored above 80% marks, जिन्होंने 80% above marks score किया है in the previous academic year. क्लियर? previous academic year में जिन्होंने स्कोर किया है above 80% marks, those candidates, those students may submit their application, their names to the undersigned. Now, who are the undersigned? Undersigned means Ganesh Roy. Undersigned means undersigned. नीचे जो साइन किया हुआ है ना, who has signed it? That is Ganesh Roy and he is the head boy. Clear? Now you need to submit your names. Submit your names. Okay, submit your names to the undersigned. Undersigned means Ganesh Roy. Clear? By 7th November. Till which date? 7th November. 10th is your result date, your meeting date, and 7th November, latest by 7th, you need to submit your names in the library room. Where you have to submit? In the library department. Clear? Now please note. So this is the note given. Please note that the students would have to face those students who have applied, who have given their names, who have submitted their names for the prefects, would have to face, they have to face FACE. Clear? Now they have to face 2 rounds. How many rounds? 2 rounds. TWO. 2 rounds of interviews. कितने rounds of interviews होने? 2 rounds of interviews होना है. Clear? Now the 2 rounds. So what sort of rounds would be there? one with the panel of teachers. First round will be the panel of teachers. टीचर्स के साथ आपकी फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू होगी एंड फाइनल इंटरव्यू होगी फाइनल विद द प्रिंसिपल, राइट. First interview will be the teacher will be given from the teachers, and teachers will take your interviews, and final interview will be taken from the principal. Clear? So this is the information given with the help of the notice. Clear? So try to understand, students. Question was very lengthy, but simultaneously you need to answer your questions, and according to the asked questions, the points in which the questions are asked, simultaneously you need to answer the whole point. Your answer will be ready very fastly. No need to take any tension that how these lengthy questions how we will solve. इतने लंबे क्वेश्चंस को मैं कैसे लिखूं, क्या करूं. Your answer part is itself in your question part. Try to understand the question and then answer it. Yeah. So you must have understand it. First is your college name, that is Marwari Inter College, then notice, then date, and then again two heading is given. First your college, your institution, and second is your for which point notice is throwing. That is selection of dedicated students. Clear? Now students of senior section class 11th and 12th, they are informed that the selection of an interview for the prefects आपको mention करना है. पॉइंट यहाँ पे था करंट एकेडमिक ईयर के लिए होना है. डेट यहाँ पे बहुत ध्यान से मेंशन करना. आप जो डेट यहाँ पे लिखे हो दैट इज 3 नवंबर. नोटिस आपने इशू किया है एंड किस डेट में आपकी मीटिंग हेल्ड होनी है, दिस डेट शुड बी चेंज्ड. ध्यान दीजिएगा, ऐसा नहीं कि ये डेट और ये डेट आपके सिमिलर हो. क्लियर? सो डेट शुड बी चेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू द मीटिंग दैट इज 10th नवंबर, एंड टाइमिंग शुड ऑल्सो बी मेंशन दैट इज 10 AM. At which place meeting will be held, that is college auditorium hall. Clear? Now in this connection, interested candidates who have scored above 80% marks, the candidates scored above 80% marks, उन्हीं candidates को allow किया गया है कि they can go for this prefects. In the previous academic year में उनके marks को check किया जाएगा, and those students are only allowed to submit their form, to submit their names. May submit their names to the undersigned. Undersigned, I have told you who is the undersigned, that is Ganesh Roy. By which date? By 7th November. डेट मैं आपको हमेशा बोल रही हूँ. ऊपर का डेट आपका देख रहे हो 3rd नवंबर नोटिस दी गई है. मीटिंग इज ऑन 10th नवंबर एंड by 7th November name should be submitted where? In the library room. Clear? Now please note that the students would have to face 2 rounds of meetings, 2 rounds of interviews face होने हैं. One with the panel of teachers, teachers interview लेंगे, and the final round will be the principal, and at last will be the selection of candidates. Clear? Now this was the notice, student. Next class we'll continue with the same topic, but according to the important questions topic I am handling, which have come in your academic examination points. Okay, thank you, students.